Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 63. Utta. Utta. The Korean word utta is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Again, utta means to smile or laugh. How do we write utta in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ut, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by an u character followed by a siot character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this example. It says 제발 웃어요. Again, 제발 웃어요. This sentence could be subdivided into two parts. The first part is 제발. This is a word which is used to say please in Korean. And the second part is 웃어요, and this pertains to the present tense action of smiling. And as you can see, 웃어요 is the present tense form of utta, which is our word for today. So, how is utta transformed into 웃어요? So, as usual, the first step is the removal of da, so now we're left with us. And as you can see, we added oyo to make it 웃어요. And as mentioned in the previous videos, this is the pattern on transformation of verbs into its present tense form. If last vowel sound is a or o, we use ayo. If not, we will use oyo. And since us does not end with a or o, we used oyo. So us plus oyo is 웃어요. And that is the conjugated version of utta. And 웃어요 is the present tense form of utta. So looking back to this which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 제발 웃어요 is please smile. And with that, you've just learned utta. Now let's proceed for our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 53 to 62. But don't forget our word for today, word number 63, utta. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. The first word for our review is word number 62, 마시다, which means to drink. Next word is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is an informal way of saying let's go. Next word is 울다. This is another verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. The next word for our review is 가다. This is a verb which means to go. Next word is 뭐예요 or 뭐예요, and this is used to say what is it. Next word for our review is 이름, and this is the Korean term for name. And the last word for our review is 만나다. This is another verb which means to meet. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.